All right, so we have a nice, beautiful angel that I have been asked by my wife to get working, so hopefully we can figure it out. I don't know quite where this came from. I think it may have actually just been a garage sale, but it's very pretty, well done, and hand painted, so pretty angel here. And the issue with this is that it's a music box, but when you wind it, as you can see, it's wound all the way. It's very, very tight there. I mean, I couldn't wind it. I don't think one more click. And then it looks like a screw may be missing, and then two here that I need to undo to take this music box out. And then I noticed that they actually put some glue around it. I guess they thought they needed additional support. Or maybe that's how this is actually, the entire thing is holding on to here. It's just this glue. So got some tools already ready, so let's go. So my thinking is that this might literally only let the music box go if this piece of plastic is all that's holding it in there. We'll find out in a moment. That appears that is accurate, actually, because I am seeing, yeah, see, this is floating in there. So this guy is why they glue. Looks like we've got some here. I have to be careful not to push too far down on this, or we will oh, there we go. That's excellent progress there. We're making some real progress now. All right. I'm going to see if I can pull it out like that. And that should be it. Well, look at that. Wow, that is a legit amount of glue. All right, let's take a look at this beautiful music box, see if we can figure out what's going on with that. I'll tell you right off the bat, I am not a music box expert, but this looks really nice. I think if you unwind this the other way, this just comes off. Like the construction of this, see, maybe someone knows what that means. It says U.S. patent 4458573, made in Japan. It's been casted, but everything else, look at the gearing and the, it all looks really good in the winding. Look at this. Oh wow, I thought this was metal. It's plastic. It's kind of hard to move. I feel like it's getting easier now. Oh. But since I don't have any of it, I'm going to use a silicone spray, which I think will be just fine. And then we'll give it a couple tries, and then we should be set. So this is what I have hanging around the house. Silicone lubricant. I think this is going to be fine. I don't have the straw for it anymore, so hence the gloves. So we'll shake it, but not next to the microphone. All right. We're going to put it here. And where I saw that it was appeared to be sticking is at the very tip on top and in the bottom. So I'm just going to put some spray there. I might put some in that internal gearing, although I don't think that's necessary, or that was impeding the excuse me, or that was impeding it to move, because the gears seemed fine there. It really felt that it was right there, so maybe that spring is acting up. But go ahead and we'll put some of the spray in. We'll see if that does it. I know you're not supposed to like the smell of the spray, but I do. I don't know why that is. If you didn't make cologne that smells like this, it's pretty close to WD-40. It's probably not healthy. But let's move this around a little bit to make sure we get that spray in the joints. All right. All right, interesting. It's not moving after I sprayed it, so it may not have gone in there. Let's see. Maybe I need to give it a bit more energy there. We got spray on these little combs, so we'll clean that off. I'm just allowing it to spin now. See if I can get it to spread around the silicone for me. Now it's really, see, it's not getting stuck anymore. Must have been it. Just need a little bit of silicone, and there we go. Easy. Now, I'm going to tell my wife I worked really hard to make it work, and I had to use all the parts at my disposal to get this to work, so that I have an excuse to go get more things from garage sales. That being said, nobody tell her I just use this. I'll have to really wash my hands now. I wore gloves not to get this on me, and here I am touching it without gloves, so yep. Not that it's, you know, hazardous per se, but okay. All right, let's see if that resolves the, look at that. There must have just been some hair difference between all that. All right, so we'll put this on. Let's do a quick demo, and then off camera, I'll just glue this. Nothing, definitely nothing magical there. See what this sounds like now. See if it works. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have yourself a good day, and we'll have hopefully another good video coming soon.